Hey YouTube, Dark Myth Dude here with an unboxing of the new Sony PlayStation 4 Destiny bundle. Now I know it's probably been out for a long time, but hey, got myself hands-on with one, so I might as well show you guys. So, first thing you're going to notice is pretty much just what comes in the box. Destiny PlayStation 4 in white. One PlayStation 4 controller. Also comes with charging cord, HDMI, power cord, and a headset. Just going to be some info about Destiny. Also, you can get these headphones, however, they are not included with the purchase. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just kind of get the plastic off with a knife or something. Pop it open. Pull out the Destiny bundle. Again, it says Destiny. Not too much going on here. On this side, you can see PlayStation 4 in white. We're going to open up this tab. Open it up. And the first thing you're going to be greeted with is the controller. Take a look at that. So here it is. PlayStation 4 Glacier white controller. It is a little bit of gray. That's that. Looks pretty nice. Get to our quick start guide. Alright. Next we get to the cords. So, got your HDMI, which is very nice that Sony includes that now. It's very nice of them. So, that's that. Got your headset here. It's a mono headset, no matter what headset you plug in. For, let's say you use Apple headphones, those will only output through one headphone, so Sony's got to work on that a little. Got your charger here. Same one as the PlayStation 3 Slim uses. And your charging cord. Alright. Other than that, just got the PlayStation 4 itself. Oh, here you go. So here's where the game is. It's hiding on me. So you got your Destiny all wrapped up. I'm not going to open this up because I am going to resell this. Get to the main attraction of the show. PlayStation 4 in white. So this is very nice. So you still got the shiny part on the top, which you can remove and put a new hard drive in there. No voiding of the warranty whatsoever. So you have black on the center, and it's all white around the rest of it. All your usual ports. So yeah, that's been it. That's been my unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Catch you guys later.